Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to use Telegram without phone number. So guys, if you want to use your Telegram and want to create your new Telegram account without phone number, then I'll help you how to do this. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply you need to open your Telegram app as you can see here, and guys you need to click on start messaging. And guys, here you need to write your phone number, but I'll tell you how can you create your account without phone number. So guys, simply you need to go back, and guys after going to back you need to open any internet browser in your phone, and guys here you need to search temp phone number. So guys, simply you need to search for this, and guys you need to scroll it down. And guys, here you can see the website, that is tempnumber.com. Simply you need to click on this tab, and guys after this you need to scroll it down. From here you need to select any country. So guys, for example, I want to select France here. So guys, simply you need to select that country, and guys after this you need to wait. So guys, you need to below, and guys after this here you need to find here you will find many of numbers. So guys, simply you can click on anyone, and guys after this you need to copy this phone number. So guys, simply you need to click on copy button, and guys after this you need to go back, and guys you need to open your Telegram again. Here you need to select your country in which you have copy your phone number. So guys, I have copy number of France. So guys, simply you need to click on France here, and guys here you need to paste that number. And guys after pasting your number, simply you need to click on continue, and guys after this you will find an OTP on that website here. So guys, simply you need to copy your OTP from here, and guys you need to paste that OTP in your Telegram, and guys after this your account will be created. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.